Hello guys, we're back again. It is around 8:14 right now. We are looking good. We had that tough loss, very roller coaster ride today on that trading. Hopefully it doesn't happen too often. But back here again around 700 now. So we took that 112 loss today. Looking at gold, we're breaking this right now. We have one, two, three touches, and we have breaking here. So I'm gonna take one here, guys.
Order filled.
I do like it here. Stop loss around this right here. I like it here. Yeah, we're breaking right now. I like it here. So let's see what happens. We have this, yeah, close to 140 stop loss right underneath this. So hopefully that doesn't hit. But I like it here. We're gonna keep it for now. I will be out late, so I'll come back later on. Maybe see where we are. That's not. Let's put this at around there, just for giggles now. Hopefully, if it might hit this and then come back, so that I might be like something like this. This will go up here and come back up. I'm hoping we can do a lot better than the early trade this morning. Even though we could have could have made money and we didn't. It was very unfortunate, guys. So if you kept up, yeah, this was the trade I took right here. As you can see here, we sold right here. This is the wicks that got us. Look what happened. Went all the way down here. Could have easily made $500-600 on the account today, guys. But very emotional trading today for me. Very exhausting trade. As you can see here, this is just a bull flag. This wants to go higher. So I'm not touching platinum right now. And that's the problem with platinum too. That because you have to play minis, you can't play micros. It's very fast. So it is what it is. Nothing to do here. Nasdaq, just chilling here, not doing anything. All these very wicky, so glad I'm not playing it. Oil, we're up to $26 already. Oil, it's touching this. We'll see what happens. If this hourly candle, just started at 817. So if it stays there and it comes back and it breaks, I'll play the shorts. But for now, we're there. And keep it there. This is a huge resistance. So if it does break this, we'll probably I'll take profit depending on where we start. But nothing else to look at, guys. Again, in gold, that's working out very well already. So I like it there. So yeah, I have it here just in case it comes back and hits us. Try to make up some of that from today's earliest loss. But we'll leave it there, guys, and we'll be back later on. All right, guys, we are back. We're up almost $40 here. Liking it a lot. So this is the hourly we're looking at. So we're just jumping. It's good which is great. I do like it here a lot. I'm looking at the 15-minute, just drawing this because we're jumping right now. I don't want to take such a hard loss, so I'm gonna put my stop using this stop loss. Although it's a very incline, like it's a very vertical stop loss, and it will give us 16, very small buffer. I just don't want to take a loss after today's blunder, so I'm gonna take it here. Yeah, if it comes back and hits 16, we're good. If it starts jumping even to here, I'll probably at break even if it goes to the 15-minute up here. It's really pushing right now, so I really want to keep it going, just to take some of that from yesterday's loss. So. I'm going to keep it here for now, and then we'll see what happens. If we start to kind of go sideways a little bit like this and not really do anything, it not really push. Because I really wanted to push up and take profit around here somewhere. But if it starts to do it sideways, then I'll move the stop loss back to like here or something, just so give it some room to really breathe. Because maybe this was just a little jump before it goes higher. But here, I like here the momentum that's pushing, up $40 right now. So I do like it. So I'm gonna put it here just in case it comes back. Yeah, we're up. Look, $50. It's just pushing right now. So I want to keep this. So the next candle that opens in about 7 minutes, see if it opens right here, and it can push up, and then we'll take profit somewhere around there. Hopefully around this line right there. But I like it here. I'm gonna keep it here. I don't want if it comes back, hit something like that. Also because I'm not gonna be around, so I'd rather keep it nice, tight, stop loss. Instead of thinking in my head, I'll have a 200 stop loss or something. But we'll see what happens. I'll keep monitoring and keep you guys updated. All right, guys. So here I'm up around $50, but I wasn't going to be able to look at my phone. So I decided to just go ahead, take the profit, and start on a nice green note for tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Kind of early today, 5 in the morning, 5:40 in the morning. Gold. We had the nice catch yesterday when we broke out of this right here. You know, we had this nice little catch right here, but should have kept, honestly, because now we should have kept here. We would have gotten, 100 fill or something instead of just a 40 fill. But now it's starting to break up again, from all the way from over here. Yeah, 3 touches there, and then we're breaking. You can see all the way over here. We had this huge trend line, and then we went up, touched it, come back. Now we're retesting, and then you have these huge resistance right here. So I'm very tempted to take another one, just one, with this being your stop loss as it's being respected. So
order filled.
I'm gonna take one there. I do like it with stop loss at right here. And yeah, looking to go like around there. Let me see, where was it? Yeah, around there. So like that. I'm gonna take just one right now. Stop loss. If you can push this and really start to get some momentum and really get close and push this, I'll probably add another one for a quick scalp to the upside. But for now, just one. Okay, guys. Hopefully we can get some trades at 177 because we do have some profit today, so we can try to push this up. And that will be it for now, and I'll be back later. Alright, guys, we are back here again, 8:30. We took that gold long. What happened? Alright, so I'm back in. Oh, okay, what's going on? Oh, there we go. Alright, so we're back in. We broke out that. It came back. It almost touched our stop loss. Let's move this puppy up now. We do have CPI coming out soon, guys. So that might hurt us a little bit because that comes out in 4 minutes. And if CPI is looking good, that might come down and just hit us. And then, that might be the end of us. So, I'm taking a risk holding it here. I do like it. If it hits our stop loss, because sometimes I might make a crazy move, we'll be down 40 minus 1. We'll be down like 130 or so. So, kind of sucks, but I am taking the risk because you want to see what's going on with NASDAQ. But, yeah, no, I like it. Like it here. I mean, I could take this, make it a $70, and we'll be back to almost 800. But I do like it a lot. Let's see how CPI comes in a few minutes. Let's see what's going on. Just before that, let's see what else I'm looking at. Oil. Yeah. I'm going to take some shorts here in oil, but we ripped right now. Yeah, we're ripping. Look at that. Yeah, this pretty sure this is now, because this is the second touch from all the way from over here on the top. From this top range all the way over here. Yeah. Look at that. You have 1. And then now you have 2. And now you have 3. Just about to break up. So that one, that's your third right there. So I like it. It's breaking, obviously, but let's see what happens with this. I'll have to wait to this candle to see what we do here. Let's see. I think that was all none. Yeah, look at that. Whew. That's another one. Perfect. Ready to go. I think that we might get... I'm not sure. See, look at this. Such an indecisive candle. And look at this. We don't even know what's going on. Because if CPI comes in hot, meaning inflation, then that, if it comes in higher than expected, market drops, gold goes up. And vice versa. CPI comes in lower than expected, market jumps, gold down. Usually that's one of the, obviously it's not 100% like that, but that's usually the case. So that's what we look at. It's one of those things that you need to learn how to read. Again, not 100% obviously, but everything's looking like ready, like it wants to jump up, all the indexes. So maybe it is time to get out right before. We still have another minute or so. Look at platinum. Platinum's looking. Oh yeah, we broke out of this. So it did finally break this, which makes sense. Finally broke out. That would be your second one. So this is out. Yeah, it's just going. Let's see what to do. what to do with gold. All right, we have another minute right here. This is where we're sitting at. Having breakfast, guys. Having a cup of coffee right now. I woke up a little late, but so yeah, we have 30 seconds to decide what we do here. Obviously, I could just move it up. Let's move this up to here. Yeah, 150 minus 140. It'll be a 110 loss if it comes up and hits us. You know, hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully we can. It can jump up and we can go up, or if it stays here, so we can keep in the trade. That would be the best thing. But 6 seconds. Let's see if it changes anything. But if not, we might take a loser here. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There we go. Can you give me 100 or something like that? Yeah, I'll take that.
Order filled.
There we go. Woo! 154, guys. That was a great trade. I'm probably going to keep going now. Great. Perfect trade. Done for the day, guys, on that. We'll call it a day there. Bye now.